Welcome back to ViPeople, the first community-based HR system that empowers you to deploy easily on your own infrastructure with just one click. Avoid any third-party dependencies. Fully control your system and your data. In this video, I'll guide you through adding and activating a new employee. Even if you later manage 50, 100, or even 1,000 employees, the steps remain just as simple. Step 1. Log in as admin. Once logged in, you'll see the entire system, all data, and full admin controls. Step 2. Add a new employee. Click Add New Employee. The process takes just a few seconds. Tab 1. Simply enter their full name. The rest you can select from drop-downs. Note: be sure to assign a manager. If left blank, the system will default the creator as the manager. Tab 2. Just enter the job title, then select the remaining fields. Click Save to finish. Step 3. Check the employee list. The newly added employee will appear under the pending filter or in the overview dashboard, where the data updates instantly. Step 4. Grant login permission. At this point, the employee won't yet appear in the user list because their email hasn't been activated. Go back to the employee list, select the new employee, open the menu, enable login permission. Enter their email address. Entered the wrong email? No worries. Just return to the admin dashboard. Select the employee again and correct their email. Once updated, the system will automatically send a welcome email with login details and a system-generated password. Step 5. Employee login and activation. The employee opens their email and logs in for the first time. Immediately after, they'll receive a second email asking them to confirm and activate their account. Only after confirming will the account become officially active. To optional, change password. The system password can be used right away, but if they want to change it, on the login page, click Forgot Password. Enter their email, click Send Reset Link. Open their email, click Reset, enter and confirm new password. Done. The system will redirect them to the login page. Log in with new password. Success! Admin view. As an admin, you'll now see the newly activated employee in the system. You can open their profile and update any missing or incorrect information. For example, in this video, we'll update the working policy field, then click Save. Switch to Employee View after login. They can view and edit their personal details. Tab 1. but cannot edit company details. Tab 2. ensuring clear permission boundaries. That's it. Don't forget to share ViPeople with your community, friends, and partners. ViPeople helps your business manage HR efficiently, stay cost-free, remain safe and fully in control. See you in the next video, where we'll show you how to manage attendance and working hours in detail. Visit vipeople.netlify.app to download the installer. Need help? Use the support menu inside the system. ViPeople, HR for a new generation.